In this video, I'm going to cover out how to use VN Video Editor to perfectly edit your videos. Let's go! So we're here in VN Video Editor. If you want to make a new project, you can do it by touching on here and clicking on New Project. Then select the video that you want. We'll pick a random video and click on here. It will drop it onto your timeline and you can start editing. Now the first thing we want to do is cut, split and remove anything you want to remove. You can do it by touching on this scissors icon, and now you can split it out and remove whatever you want by clicking on the delete button right here. I remove this and then saying that it automatically adds. You can click on it and touch on the trash can and it will take it out. The next thing you want to do after cutting out everything you want to cut is add any overlay footage or B-roll. You can do it by touching on here and clicking on video or photo. You choose what you want to add. I'll just pick a random photo and drop it in there. And now the photo will be where you place it, and you can also adjust how long it will be by touching on here. After adding all the overlay footage and B-roll, you will add text, and you can do it by touching on here and touching on either text or subtitle templates. If you touch on subtitle template, you can get all these templates for free. And yes, they come with VN Video Editor even when you're offline. If you touch on them and touch on the check mark, it will add all the text in there. Now go and add all the text that you want to add and come back. Now after adding all the text, you will add transitions. You can do it by split and touching on this plus icon right here and choosing either one of them. And you can even choose from this mate selection. And you can also do it change the duration. And now the transition will apply to your video. After everything, you want to add music or sound effects. You can do it by touching on here and choosing if it is music or sound effects. I'll go with music and I'll add one of them. I will click on the check mark right here and it is in there. After everything, you will like to export, but before we export, we will choose an aspect ratio for this by touching on here and from here you can choose all these aspect ratios. I will go with the original because it goes with what the video is on. So just touch on the export icon right here. Choose the resolution. I'll go with 720p and frame rate 24 and bitrate low. So it will export your video and